Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And firstly I will show you how to call it using default controls, and then how to add another control to call a Siri. So by default you need to use a multifunctional button what located at the right ear cup between the volume control buttons, and you need to press 3 times at this button. So 1, 2, 3, and now as you can see Siri is awake, so it works. Now how to add another control? To do this we need to open Baseus application. Yeah, of course you need to add your headphones to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap on them and then go to gesture settings. And right here we can add it for the double press, so we need to tap at the double press and select activate voice assistant by tap on them. Now let's check it. So I added for the double press, and again I need to double press at this button. 1, 2. And as you can see, it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!